That's a cool trick. What up, GRC, and I'm back at it once again. And I wanted to do some repairs on my Xmaxx. I took her out, wrecked her. I couldn't see where I was landing, so yeah, busted that drive cup. Also split this open. I blame it on not being able to see, but we're just over here at the park playing around, and I'm gonna take advantage of this time to fix my Xmaxx. Just needs that there. So I'm gonna do some repairs while kids are playing. This tire, look at this, it's coming out. I put holes in it, but this is all soft because I got water in it one time, and now it's just no good, man. And so I think the best way to do this is to get the bottom shock out. First clean the what? Yep, so we're gonna clean this out. Take that little bolt out. Take this little thing out. Flip that out. Then I'm gonna, I think the way you clean this is there's a bolt right here. So we're gonna clean all that crap. I never clean my stuff. I don't have time to be doing all this crap. There should be a bolt in there. All that dirt I got up in there. I do my best without trying to take off as many what you call it, as many parts as possible. I don't want to take off this whole thing just to get this piece off. Some people might think it's a hard way, but okay, so that's a 2.5 bolt up in there. There we go. You see that there, guys? It's easy to take out. I know you guys. So yeah, all that rust, because I don't blow the truck off after. But just a piece for it. Make sure you get the 7754X. Real easy fix. And oh, you know what? I do gotta take off some stuff anyways, because I gotta get that backbone. Not backbone, but that dog bone. So I'm just gonna take this one off. And oof. See that there? So that way I can maneuver this dog bone back into it after I put it in. Real easy fix. Crash this thing. Comes with the Loctite. do the balancing act. We up in there like swimwear. I can make it go slow, watch. There, now it's really slow. Here. That's as slow as it goes. Watch out for the dog. And so, want to hold this side and just keep on doing it till it's tight. It has Loctite on it, and so there, we in there like swimwear. Slap this back in there. Man, I should put this on the back, but I don't have no time for that. So let's slap that back in, put this back in, put this back in, everything back in. You know? Put this back in. Okay, see you in a bit then. All right, bye. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I got some new tires, but they're the chrome ones, and they only had 2 of them, but I needed some tires, so I'm gonna slap the back ones on the front and put those new ones on the back. And so right now, let me slap this bad boy back in. Look at this, man. I just need to maintain more better, because I'm just letting this truck fall apart over here. Sheesh. I'll do that later. That means never. Slide that back in there. We in there like swimwear. And this is the screw to hold that. We in there like swimwear. So I'm gonna take these tires off, switch them to the back, and then I got this other repair right here that needs to be done. So I'll be back. Let me see you jump it, Charlie. Go, Sam. You got it. Just make it go straight. Whoa, what the? Let me see. Good job, son. Yeah, the kids are out here playing with Maya and Balboa. And I got this kid right here messing with my stuff. They have no jumps. Okay, go. Yeah, there you go. Okay, back to business. Oh, what I wanted to say was I finally busted what you call it, a bearing with my metal hubs, and finally, you know, it finally busted. And so I'm going to go ahead and replace that hub, that bearing. But yeah, so that lasted pretty long. I didn't think it would never bust, but that landing was a crazy land. And so yeah, I finally busted a bearing with these, but so far these been holding up without busted bearings. That's the first time, and that was a crazy land if you guys see it. I'll be back. Let me change that out. It took me a while to take this bearing out, but I finally got it out. So yeah, I'm gonna slap those new tires on there. So I think the best way to fix this is to take this off, go up in that way, take that screw off, and I'll have these nifty bolts and stuff that I can try to find, maybe I have a washer in there that I can slap in there. So yeah, Let's see. Take that off. Take this off. That rust, boy. Just don't be caring. Take this off like that there. Let's go up in there. Unscrew that screw. So I got it unscrewed. Now I just gotta get it out of there. There we go. So my idea is just to put a washer on there, because I guess it busted through that hole. So now that that hole is bigger, I need to put a washer on it. And let me see. Got my nifty little bolts here. Look at that, I even got these, but I never needed them. These are the fasten those. Yeah, we'll put a little washer on it. And we're gonna do it like that. Like this. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. We'll tighten the rest by hand. We in there like swimwear. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? So, put this bad boy back in. Slap this bad boy back in. And the next thing I'm going to do is put the back tires on the front. Well, I don't have to really. These are still good. But I'll just do it just to stay consistent. You know what I'm talking about? I'll do it just to stay consistent, baby. So yeah, no bearings busted on this. Something feels funny. It's like binding up when I go this way. Let me see. Yeah, something's bound. Something is bound. We're going to the beach tomorrow, so I want to take Maxine with us. Something is bound. Okay, I'll be right back. So I'm gonna go ahead and change out this diff cup because it looks terrible. Not only that, I got an extra diff cup anyways. But I'm thinking that's what's binding it. I hope that's what's binding it. I got an extra one. And so I'm gonna slap this one in real quick. So I guess that's why it was binding. It was that diff cup. It's so out of shape. It was binding against this.
It's supposed to be 8S or 6?
8S. So I'm gonna slap this tire on there. I think we're good to go. Yep, it's not bounded no more. I hope I got that on camera. See that? So that's why it was binding. So if you guys mess up your diff cups, I mean, if your tires are binding, I mean, if your wheels are not spinning, that might be one of the reasons why, because you don't take care of it like me. And so look at all that rust too. All right, let's slap this on there. See what it do. Holy crap, I'm missing another part. Check this out. I just looked at it. I'm missing that top piece right there. Maybe I could get my wife to get it for me for Father's Day. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it in there. See that black piece right there? I'm missing it right there. Dang. Okay, so be right back. Let me snap these tires on. So I got everything on there. Looks crazy with one black chrome and one black. It's all good though. So we're gonna try it, slap it on, and see what they do. Look at the sky. The sun rays are coming out. You see that? It looks pretty good, huh? Back to Maxine. Let's do it. Let's see what it goes on. Oh yeah, she's back. Man, those chrome. Yep, she is back. Man, I need those other chrome. Look at the chrome tires. Black chrome in the back, and yeah, that's fine. Yep, she's loving it. Ooh, that's a trick right there. That is a trick. We're gonna try that trick. That's why I don't have no diff cups. Because of those kind of things. That's a trick. That's a trick. Oof, that's not a trick. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay, I know how to do it. That was a double flip. Seen that? What a cool trick. Now I'm gonna mess up my new diff cups. That's a cool trick, but it's gonna be bad. Ooh, yep, so there you have it. And I busted my wheelie bar, but I don't need it. I don't need it. Sounds real squeaky like. Okay, that'll do it, man. Thanks for watching.